Dear students, hope that you are well. I am well too. In last some teachings, I had to teach you English second part, but today I am teaching you English first part, and it is Unit 12 and lesson 2. Today at first I am teaching you some vocabulary. Vocabulary means the odd meaning. Here at first the main word of this passage: request, respect. Respect means honor. Honor. Bear means tolerate. Frequently. Frequently means again and again. Again and again. Seldom. Seldom means hardly. Some other words: leave. Leave means depart. D-E-A-R-T-E. Depart. Here I write some vocabulary. Respect means honor. Bear means tolerate. Frequently means again and again. Seldom means hardly. Leave means depart. Now I am learning. Now I am reading this lesson. Here the lesson carefully. Moinul Islam is a qualified farmer in Nagaon. Mr. Islam was very brilliant as a student. He took his higher education from Bangladesh Agricultural University in Mymensingh. He then came back home and started advanced farming. He has two other brothers who are graduates in different disciplines. The speciality of the Islam family is that they all are living in their village and all are renowned in their own fields. Mr. Islam, younger brother, who is a Rajshahi University graduate, is a science teacher in a local school. His younger brother is a social science graduate who likes to start in local NGO to work for this area. When asked what makes you decide to stay here in this village, Mr. Islam smiled and said, "Look, it is true that we could leave this village for city life. I could be banker or my brother could be bureaucrats, but it did not attract us. We are sons of this soil. Yes, we have education, but does education prepare a person only to be an officer? Don't we have any obligation to the soil that has made us what we are?" He also added that not every educated individual should be a job seeker. He added that Since his discipline was agriculture, after his education, he took the occupation of a farmer. In response to a question whether they had any frustration living in a village, he confirmed that they were indeed very pleased with their life. He said, I work in my own farm, stay with my family members, pass time with my old friends, and sleep at my own home. All these count a lot. Mr. Islam is right. Many people go to cities and forget or loosen their roots, knowingly or unknowingly. Mr. Islam and his brothers are great. They have forgotten their roots. They not only stuck to their own roots, they have been torchbearer for others to be faithful of their roots. Thank you. Now I am learning you some question and answer. Where is my afternoon? Where does now I am learning you question and answer. At first I write a question. Number 1, where does Mr. Islam live? Can I write the answer? I think you will write the answer because it is a very simple question. Mr. Islam live in a village. At first I write down subject Mr. Islam. Mr. Islam live. Here the sentence of the tense of this sentence is present indefinite. So I write live. Mr. Islam live in a village. Here I want to include some another points which is adjective. The word of village. Mr. Islam live in a village which is very big. It is the answer of the first question. The second question is what is Mr. Islam's ambition? Ambition means aim. Do you know what is Mr. Islam's ambition? Mr. Islam उद्देश्य की the answer of this question, the ambition ambitions of Mr. Islam is to live in his village. To live in his village because he wants to live. He wants to help the villagers. He wants to live with villagers. It is the answer of the second question. The third question of this passage is how does his farming how does he farming তার কৃষিকাজের অবস্থা কেমন? His farming is very advanced. His farming is very advanced, which is liked by